How are we doing, boys and girls? Well, here we are. We are putting Van's switches and stuff back. And it needs a new switch. It never ends. The life of having a classic car. You gotta love it. So I will let Bobby know. We'll get a new switch in and get it all taken care of and get this back in place because it just looks so much nicer. Being in the door like that. So we got to get a switch for it. It's old. I mean, I'm not being mean or rude, but it is. It's just old. It's all part of having this type of car. So, but on that note, ladies and gentlemen, we'll catch you in a minute.